Hello everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making this Valentine's Day DIY using items from the 99-cent store. We got a variety of beautiful roses, pink ones, tan ones, dark pink ones, light pink ones. We got some carnations. We also got these sunflowers. We got a beautiful glittered hearts. We also got this big heart, which we're going to attach in the middle. We are working with this 13-inch wreath. We got wiring, we got our wire cutters, we got our scissors. So with that said, let's get this started. We are just gonna go wild with these roses, you know. This will be an easy craft to put together for your Valentine's. Just go around, put these beautiful little roses around, spread them apart. Just do the same. Just keep going around all the different colors in. Just working with these light pink ones. That beautiful, 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 beautiful. How's that looking, everybody? It's kind of scrunched up in here, huh? It's kind of move these down. Some room up in there for that one. How about over here? Kind of scrunched up, huh? Let's get this beauty up here. No, we don't want them together. Let's see. this one over here. Try not to get the same color together, you know. And there we go. Look at that. I think we need some purple over here, huh? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's take this beautiful carnation and put that over there. There we go. Let's get this carnation right in here. There we go. I think we got it. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, what else can I do with the heart? Gotta put it right in the center here. So with that, you're gonna get a little piece of some wiring. I'm just gonna put that in that whole part right here. Twist it around. Just weave your wiring through these roses. Ooh, don't want it too tight because we're gonna put the rest down on the bottom, you know. There we go. Let's take this rest. Get this one here. Ooh, we got it. Just pull it. There we go. Look at that. It's a beautiful heart inside. Now we're going to get our little pegs. Little hearts up in here. That. And there we go, everybody. Look what we made today with some beautiful items from the 99-cent store. You could come out with a beauty. Be creative and visualize. Look at that. Some beautiful roses, sunflowers, some glittered hearts. Wow. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. I enjoy being here. If you got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing the subscribe button. You will be notified of my upcoming videos. It's free. You'll also be helping my channel grow. With that, once again, thanks for watching. Have a great, wonderful day. And let's get that laughter and that smile on. Everybody have a great day. Thank you.